The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G is positioned as an affordable entry in the Nord series, aiming to balance essential smartphone features with cost-effectiveness. Here's an overview of its key aspects. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G showcases a sleek and minimalist design, featuring a glass-like smooth finish on its plastic back panel, which exudes a premium feel despite its material. The Mega Blue variant stands out with its vibrant hue, while the Super Silver offers a more subdued elegance. However, the glossy surface is prone to fingerprint smudges, necessitating regular cleaning or the use of a protective case. The device's sturdy plastic frame with a metal-like finish ensures durability, and its flat frame design enhances grip comfort during usage. Weighing 191 grams and measuring 8.1 millimeters in thickness. Notably, the Nord CE4 Lite 5G includes practical features such as a 3.5mm headphone jack and an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, adding to its overall appeal. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 395 ppi. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals during navigation in compatible applications. In terms of brightness, it achieves 600 nits typically, 1200 nits in high brightness mode, HBM, and peaks at 2100 nits, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. The display's 20:9 aspect ratio and approximately 87.2% screen-to-body ratio provide an immersive viewing experience, suitable for media consumption and gaming. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. This configuration delivers reliable performance for daily tasks such as browsing, social media, and video consumption. Benchmark results indicate an Antutu score of approximately 473,628 and Geekbench 6 scores of 896, single-core, and 2017, multi-core. However, the device encounters limitations with demanding applications and multitasking scenarios. Gaming performance is modest. For instance, in BGMI, the phone supports HD graphics at 60 frames per second but averages around 30 frames per second, making it less ideal for high-performance gaming. Additionally, the device tends to stutter when handling multiple apps, and multitasking may not be seamless. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G is equipped with a single 50MP rear camera utilizing the Sony LYT-600 sensor, accompanied by a 2MP depth assist camera. In well-lit conditions, the main camera captures images with good detail and natural colors, though some users have noted a tendency toward oversaturation, particularly with greens. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G features a 16MP front-facing camera with an f/2.4 aperture. In well-lit conditions, it captures clear selfies with accurate skin tones, though images may lack vibrancy, and highlights can be overexposed in bright environments. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G offers two configurations, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM paired with 256GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage. This storage can be expanded further using a microSD card, though it utilizes a shared SIM slot. While the RAM and storage specifications are adequate for daily tasks, users have reported that the device experiences slow app load times and performance issues under heavier usage, suggesting that the hardware may not fully support more demanding applications. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G is equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery, offering robust endurance that comfortably supports over a day of typical usage. In the PCMark battery test, the device lasted approximately 11 hours and 35 minutes before dropping from 100% to 20%, indicating reliable battery performance. The device supports 80W fast charging, enabling rapid recharging to minimize downtime. Overall, the Nord CE4 Lite 5G offers dependable battery life and swift charging capabilities, enhancing the user experience for daily activities. Pros: 120 Hz AMOLED display for smooth visuals. Snapdragon 695 for decent performance. 5500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. 50MP Sony camera with OIS. Cons: no ultra-wide camera. No stereo speakers. Plastic build. Conclusion: the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G offers a solid battery life, a decent display, and reliable performance for everyday tasks. However, its limitations in camera versatility and processing power may prompt users to consider alternative options within the same price bracket.